My name is Rodney Ver Steeg. Company name is WR Fabrication. My nickname is Weldon Rod, so that's what the WR kind of stands for. I was renting a shop that was 36 foot wide by 64 foot deep. Had 2 roll-up doors, both on the same end of the building. Getting product or getting jobs into the shop was sometimes difficult. So it was kind of different. I was kind of interested to see how it was going to go. Yeah, I mean, when the day of the lift came, I mean, I was a celebrity. I had all kinds of people here watching the thing go up because nobody had ever seen this before. So I've done buildings, I've been on roofs. How the safety of being that low to the ground is a major deal. And I can understand why, you know, a company of your size would very seriously consider doing that. Keeping the guys lower to the ground for the majority of their work, that's a big deal. Having the roof structure on the ground, you know, and the way my building is constructed with concrete walls all the way around the building and setting on those concrete walls, it was also knowing full well that my roof structure is going to be very square and very solid. You know, late afternoon, going into early evening, wind can pick up, and you know, going through an evening, as a matter of fact, I think the evening that it got put up, I want to say we had a little bit of a thunderstorm kind of come through, and it was kind of one of those where I didn't have to worry about things. Yes, absolutely. I'd almost, to a certain point, prefer it because I believe the structure, the building structure that I've got is a lot more square. You know, in terms of a building being, you know, 2 or 3 inches out of square might not matter. But when you go to put, like in this office here, you put the tin on the walls and everything is still really square, you know, all the way through the entire building. I used to work for the dairy farms, and we've used FBI buildings out there on numerous occasions. I know it's a very reputable company. They're gonna make sure that things are taken care of. There's other companies out there that, you know, I did a couple of quotes with some of them, and the quotes were very similar. Just to me, it was just the structure of the building, you know, the structure of the company itself, how they do business. Yeah, very quick, very fast, done right.